Please keep it real and tell me how you feel. Would you still be around if my pockets wasn't filled? If I couldn't buy you everything you want, would you be my wife? Tell the truth, don't front. I need to know now, I can only ask once. Answer wrong, get tossed like yesterday's lunch. I see it in your eyes that you wanna be my queen. Question is, will you be loyal to your king forever? I'm open, she got my heart floating. Quit trying to find love till she hit me with a potion. Shorty so smooth, call her cocoa butter lotion. Make a family, me and her, yeah I'm hoping. Feeling like Columbus when he sailed across the ocean. Seen baby on land, invaded, fast motion. Now we are one, stay shining bright like the sun. Love ringing on my heart like a ton, she the one. I didn't wanna leave, but I knew I had to. Despite the 5 years, my daughter in the tattoo. Cause things getting tough, tough as bamboo. Relationship heavy, I'm fighting with Shamu. It was all good, you know, hugs and smiles. Now we starting in the day with a fight and a frown. Good riddance, I'll call you when I'm coming around. And be on time every month with support for the child. Is it love, is it lust? I don't know, but I like it. The feeling is amazing, never felt nothing like it. She told me try love and I tried it. We head on collided and now I am blinded. Concussed with affection, could this be perfection? Maybe not now, but we headed that direction. She smiled when I smile, my female reflection. Ease your boy pain and cut out the stressing. You will never find another love like this. Only 2 words describe this. So sick, only 1 word describes you. That's sweet, doing good on my own, but with you I'm complete. The others can't compete, so you turn the other cheek. I told you I was real, but you see that I'm unique. My love is like a dream, you can see it in your sleep. Stand tall through it all, something you can't defeat.
What a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, singing